All right. I did about 12 minutes on this thing, on this one wheel earlier today, and we're gonna see that I maybe should have wore my high tops. I did switch it out to a more aggressive setting. Gotta remember to stay a little straight-legged. So we've got some like walking trails I'm gonna try out. This thing is really cool. This, I think the first inning only went 12 miles an hour. This goes to full speed 16. We'll get some water. Okay, we'll go around. Let's see if I've gained any skills yet. Handles stuff really well though, I gotta admit. It just climbs the hill too. So one of the first things I guess noticed or failed to notice when I first got on this thing is, you know, you slowly will, well, you put your left foot on the back, and well, I ride goofy, but my right foot's on the front, and you know, it says to push forward slowly, but I just did it way too, a lot slower than I thought. I thought it would kind of start moving when you got horizontal, but in fact it makes more sense that if you're pointed down with your toe or the front of the one wheel, that's when it starts to go. But okay, almost lost it. Going around a turn. I'm trying to figure out how to push forward enough to go up the hill and turn. So I was digging my heel in too much and not pressing down enough. And I'm on a steep incline here, which really you just kind of lean into it. Awesome. Trying to go up the hill. Okay, toe side, not bad. It's my heel side. Heel side. So turning right is a problem. Going uphill for me. I mean, I am fully padded, and but you know, I feel pretty comfortable. But I just take one spill, you know. One spill and you're not happy. Okay. So, okay. Feet are getting a little tired. Got a little S curve here, downhill.